Take a look at the PDF document on the screen. The first page of this document shows a chart with the sales by quarter of product A. The table above the chart shows the unit cost of product A, the number of units sold, the total sales, and the total sales by quarter. Above this table, on the left, we see a logo of the company, the report date, and the product markup. On the right, we see the product name highlighted in red. Above the product name, the report shows the date and time in which the report was printed. At the bottom of the report, we see the name of the file and the path where the file is saved. The second page of this document shows the information of product B. Notice that the report of products A and B are organized in the same way. The third page of this document shows the information of products A and B together. The charts compare the total sales of these two products by year and by quarter. This video and the ones that follow will teach you how to create these reports in Excel. This will allow you to see how the most common tools in Excel are utilized and how to use them efficiently so you can save time. I will start by creating a report of product A. I already have an Excel workbook ready for this task. I've named it Reports. In order to visualize Excel and Adobe Acrobat at the same time, I will adjust the size of their windows to half of the screen size, like this. I also need to adjust these documents to visualize them better. Now it is time to build a report in Excel. I will start by entering the date and markup. Then I insert the logo. Now I will make it 2 cells tall and center it in column A. Now I will enter the data of the table. Finally, I enter the product name. I have finished entering the data for product A in my Excel workbook. Watch the video that follows to see how I make this report look like the one in PDF.